Scientific study of Vedas, creation of universe, starting from Brahman, class 22. We know at the time of creation there was only Brahman, that is Nirguna, no qualities. From this there emerged come out a driving force, that in the form of a wave. And the wave has three parts. This is the driving force which tries to create the universe. At the same time, as per Newton's third law, or everything is created in dual, pair. So, a negative force also created. So, this is called Brahma. This is Mahadeva. This is Rajoguna. This is Tamoguna. This is Newton's second law. This is Newton's third law. This middle point is stationary. That is Sattva-guna. That is Vishnu. We may call it as Narayana also. The reason I will tell at the end. So, this driving force results in the formation of three forces. Creative force, that is taking part in the creation of universe, all activities. That is called Brahma. Then there is a destructive force, that is Mahadeva. And at the middle there is Sattva-guna or Vishnu or Narayana. Now let us go to another sutta, Rigvedam Mandal 10, 2 of Sutta 124. Then let us see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 10 സൂക്തം 124 2. ഋഷി അഗ്നി, ഛന്ദസ് തൃഷ്ടുപ്പ് ജഗതി. ദേവത അഗ്നി. അദേവാദേവ പ്രജതാ ഗുഹ യൻ പ്രപശ്യ മാനോ അമൃതത്വമേമി ശിവം യത് സന്തം അശിവോ ജഹാമി സ്യാത് സഖ്യാത് അരണീം നാഭിമേമി.
It says, before flowing in the form of wave, this Agni was invisible. But after flowing, it become visible because it is in the light form. And it spreads throughout this space, complete space. This wave flow without any limit, because there is no limit to this space. So it is called Ananda, infinite. So it flows in both the directions. This way, flow this way and this way, straight, and a number of waves flow. As a result, the complete universe, this space was filled with this light waves. That is in the form of wave form. And this wave contains, each wave contains this type of three forces. One is this Brahma or Rajoguna. This is Tamoguna. This is Mahadeva. This is Vishnu or Narayana. So when it flows throughout, each wave at the center there is that Vishnu. That means each wave forms continuously here, 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 and here, 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 here. Everywhere there is Vishnu. So the wave completely filled this space, and in each junction there is a point that is called Vishnu or Narayana. So this Vishnu is also spread throughout this universe, throughout this space. Then it becomes immortal. That means whenever there is this universe, then this wave also is there. It also says that invisible form of heat is also in the present, is also present in the wood. If you turn it due to friction, heat, this fire will come out. So it is in the invisible form in the wood. Then let us go to Sukta, Rigveda Mandal 10, Sukta 1 of Sukta 136. Now let us see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 10 സൂക്തം 136 1. ഋഷി വാദരശനപുത്രൻ ജൂതി, ദേവത അഗ്നി, സൂര്യൻ, വായു, ഛന്ദസ്, അനുഷ്ടുപ്പ്. കേശഗ്നീം കേശീ വിഷം കേശീ വിഭർത്തി രോദസി കേശീ വിശ്വം സർദൃശേ കേശീദം ജ്യോതിരുച്യതേ.
It says it fills throughout this space, throughout this sky, and also throughout the earth. So this wave is now going to form electron, proton, etc. And the fundamental thing in all these, what all thing that is formed is, the fundamental thing is this wave. So it is throughout this space. In every object it is there inside it. And it is in the form of hair. Hair means a number of hairs are there. So it is flowing through this space with an infinite number. The complete space is filled with this wave, and in this wave there lies this Vishnu or Narayana at this point. In each way, at this meeting point, this and this meeting at this point, it is neutral. This is Narayana or Vishnu. That is throughout this way which is there. So Narayana is throughout. Now let us go to Sukta 10, Rigveda Mandal 10, 2 of Sukta 136, and let us see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 10 സൂക്തം 136 2. ഋഷി വാദരശനപുത്രൻ ജൂതി, ദേവത അഗ്നി, സൂര്യൻ, വായു, ഛന്ദസ്, അനുഷ്ടുപ്പ്. മുനയോ വാദ രശന പിശുങ്ക വസതേമല വാദസ്വാനോ ധ്രാജിം യന്തി യദ്ദേവാസോ അവിക്ഷത.
He says Vadarana Gotra, in those periods the rishis which became sannyasi or got moksha, those who merge with the Brahma, that is called a moksha. Those people are in such a state, their mind are mingled with this wave, merged with this wave. So their mind merged with this wave, so they also become neutral like Brahma. Thereafter there is no feeling of I, myself, or ahankar is not there in them. That means this is the first thing, that waveform of this directive force. It filled throughout this universe. That is the first stage. from this electron, proton, etc. are to be formed. Now, this Vishnu, that point, is also called Narayana. In Purana stories, this Vishnu is represented as a god lying on a serpent. Because this form is in the form of a snake. Anandan. Ananda means infinity. This wave is infinity. It goes from this end to the other. There is no end. It goes continuously. So infinity. Infinity means Ananda. So that Naga is called Ananda. It is actually there is no Naga. These are waves. In Purana stories, it is compared with a saga, a sea with a number of waves flowing. Because we know throughout the sea, wherever we go, there it is all uniform. Throughout the sea, it is uniform. Only we can see that waves. Likewise, at the start, the whole space was like a samudra, like a sea with waves. So in these waves, this Narayana is like, Narayana is throughout. This point is throughout. This point is throughout. So it is also called Narayana because Nar means person or those who, person. Nar. Narayana means those who lies on water. Nara means water. Yana means lying on it. So Narayana means those who lies on this water. This actually there is no water. We are comparing it with the water, with the waves. So throughout the wave there is this Vishnu or Narayana. This wave is continuously flowing. It is continuously flowing throughout each point there is Narayana. So Narayana, that point Vishnu is lying. It can be imagined as a snake. So this Narayana or Vishnu is lying on a snake. Ananda. It is called the Ananda Naga, Ananda snake, because Ananda means infinite. This wave is infinite. It also called a Narayana because if you imagine this as a sea containing water and waves flowing throughout this water, waves, a number of waves are there. We can see waves on the surface of sea. Likewise, these waves are flowing in this space. Space can be treated as sagar or river or sea or anything like that, filled with water. And these waves can be treated as waves in the sea. And in these waves, there are a number of points which are called Narayana. So Narayana means those who lie on water. So there are two names. One is Vishnu or the other one is Narayana. So at the starting point there is only Brahman. From it came out this driving force. It is in the form of wave. Wave contains three: Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara. Brahma is responsible for creation, Maheshwara for destruction, Vishnu that equilibrium position. This wave is flowing throughout this space. Infinite number of waves are flowing throughout this space without any limit. So it is called Ananda. It is compared to a Naga or Sarpa. So Vishnu is resting on this Ananda Sarpa, Ananda Naga, or the snake with the name Ananda, infinity. This Vishnu is also called Narayana because it is lying on the water. Actually, there is no water. It is comparing with a sea with the waves. Likewise, the whole space is filled with these waves, and on these waves lies the equilibrium position. That is Vishnu. That is Narayana.